I'm seeing that they're giving the sufferer a hard time. Running off the people off the street where they must go. They have nothing else to do because the kids at home dying for hunger.
Tired of the high prices, can't buy mackerel and white rices. Tired of the world crisis, tell me what the vaccine advises. Fed up of the damn lockdown and no food now running of the communities. Yo, I be a high crime rate every day, no jobs, no pay bad policies. Mama work hard, can't buy your bread. Crime rate so high and I be a bloodshed. Times get well harder, mongrel a fled. Affy bun a big spliff, try clear me mates. Can't even work fi provide fi we fam. The system of the people under sufferation. Them have we locked down, incarceration. Heads of government, what's the solution? And the next thing we need fi address NWC and thief in JPS. Oh, the water fi cut off and people in a darkness. You know see the pandemic of everybody under stress. We stress out and I take it to the media. Whole country want answers from the leader. Hand to mouth can't work, try get a visa. Fi monitor the pressure little easier. Tired of the high prices, can't buy mackerel and white rices. Tired of the world crisis, tell me what the vaccine advises. Fed up of the damn lockdown and no food now running of the communities. Yo, I be a high crime rate every day, no jobs, no pay bad policies. Bus fare a rise, school fee a rise, utility bill always have surprise. People them victimize, fed up of them dirty lies. Pressurize, they no care if they get to survive. We not take no bribe and we not compromise. Me know say dirty wicked a go meet them demise. See them a try initiate the antichrist. Go trust a locks, them must pay the price. Listen to Marcus Mosiah give his speech. Times I go dread from the west to the east. Educate yourself, youth, read you feel read. Some caught up in a net, yeah, mark a the beast. Kill them out and I say this it no grease. Watch it bag a chatting car, talk a the least. Informer no gunman, gunman no police. Bounty don't want them from Saddle to the east. Tired of the high prices, can't buy mackerel and white rices. Tired of the world crisis, tell me what the vaccine advises. Fed up of the damn lockdown and no food now running of the communities. Yo, I be a high crime rate every day, no jobs, no pay bad policies.